Hi everyone, this is Yogesh Bagul. In this video, I'm going to share with you several different qualities of leaders, entrepreneurs, or businessmen, preachers, great teachers, spiritual masters, athletes, great actors. All these people's success we always count, we always see their success. But the kind of sacrifices and the price they are always paying to achieve their success, their goals, and the things that they want are very noticeable. So in this video, you will find all and most of the qualities of all these super achievers, high performers. The first quality is this: all the leaders are readers, and this is the most commonly found qualities in all the super achievers. They are readers. They read autobiographies, best books, and they always read these powerful thoughts of other great achievers, and they consistently plant those seeds in their mind. The second quality is this: they have a coach or a mentor and they follow their advice. They have a consulting team, and that tells them that what needs to improve at the right time. And so because of that, they achieve success faster. They commit a mistake, but they have a solution, and these coaches, trainer and teachers, preachers, the books, and these consultant are really expert. They know what they want to see in that particular person. So these achievers, these super leaders, they believe that they need a coaching. So you can see any big sportsman, he always has coach. And many of these achievers, they believe on this theory. The third quality is this: all these super achievers have a big goal in front of them. And not only that, they always remind themselves about that goal, means what they really want in their life. They have an absolute crystal clear clarity for that. And to remind their goal, either they write or discuss, or they visualize, or they think about it most of the time. The fourth quality is commonly found in all these leaders is this: they have a problem solving skill. They are not ready to solve their people problem, but whatever the problem means, whoever come with a problem in front of them, they always somehow find a solution to that. In 2016, Mr. Ambani, he knew that there will be a data challenge in the future. So he launches a new company named Jio, and we all know that when Jio came, what kind of a disruption that other company has experienced. And due to that, the customer got a solution, and we all are enjoying now this data. The fifth quality is this: all these super achievers, they are always in a right environment, and if they are not, they change their environment as soon as they can. Here I would like to give example of a billionaire, a very big businessman. You all maybe know about him. That is Elon Musk. Do you know Elon Musk is from South Africa? So he knew that whatever the goal that he want to achieve, he saw the future is in US. So he shifted to US, and that is in Silicon Valley. And there he built his company, Tesla. And after that, he want to build the other company, that is SpaceX. So he shifted his new business from Silicon Valley to California, and where he knew that there are aeronautical companies, and he will find the raw material, the engineers, And the resources that are available to build that kind of a company was not there in Silicon Valley. So he started his business totally in different location because he knew the power of environment. Now the sixth quality, all these leaders keep a balance, means they also achieve this outside success, but they also focus on their internal health. All these leaders, they take care of their health, and for that they do exercise regularly. They also focus on their food. They always eat water rich food. It is commonly found that all these people are very simple, having a very simple lifestyle in terms of food. They always eat a quality food. They always exercise. And not only that, this is about the physical health, but they know that there is a connection between the brain and stomach. So they understand this and they take care of their body, and also they take care of their mental health. That's why all these earlier 5 qualities take care of their mental health. The final quality is this: all these people are ready to give. They always contribute in some or other way. These people are very compassionate. They are a real contributor to society. They are always ready to give whatever possible in the best way. So the question is, what is it that you want to give? From the 7 quality, which one quality do you found very useful for you? So please comment below. This is Yogesh Bagul, and thank you.